Should have drained that hose out before I disconnected it. Oh well. I live full time in an RV. I'm just going to use WD-40 like I do on everything else. Just found a freaking dead hummingbird. Alright guys, gotta flush the tanks. Gonna drain the black tank, flush it out, drain the gray tanks. Let's see, it's our setup here. I've got to disconnect the water hose and hook up the black tank hose for the flush. I should have drained that hose out before I disconnected it. Oh well. Yeah. So our setup here is fairly simple. Got your water in, got your regulator into a Y. Got a hose for black tank flush, and this is fresh water. Two separate hoses, two separate jobs. Pretty easy. Let's go over here. Gonna flush the black tank. Got half of this stuff put up, getting ready to travel. Black tank flush, fresh water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the black tank flush. We're gonna do that so that way we got a little extra water to help push stuff out on the first initial drain. Valve's open, water's flowing. Yeah, it's just something I like to do. A lot of people do this crap different, but at the end of the day, it's all common sense. Got water going into the top of the tank, stuff's coming out the bottom. Doesn't get more difficult than that. So, got the water going in. And here comes the goodies. The goodies. So the black tank is flushing and draining out. It's getting flushed and drained at the same time right now. Everybody does this different. We have a hell of a setup here. Just to confirm it's coming out. Looks good. Two gray tanks separated. That's why we have a Y fitting. Anybody that has a rear kitchen model probably know that. But we're just gonna wait and let it flush out. Getting ready for travel day. Oh yeah, also lubed up the good old e-bikes. I don't know if you guys can tell it or not. Fresh coat of WD-40. They don't like to be in the weather too much. I'm sure that if you're trying to do it the right way, they make chain oil. It's like $15 for like 8 ounces or something. But I live full time in an RV. I'm just going to use WD-40 like I do on everything else. Same thing, right? Gets the job done. I don't know if I verified it or not, but as the black tank is draining right now, it's open. Everything in the tank is getting to come out. I've also got the flush going at the same time to help try to get any solids that remain from not having enough water as a possibility, or just something that's just real heavy, or just extra pressure to help the flow of everything in the tank to come out. Once the tank is completely drained, I'll shut the valve to the black tank and then I'll let it fill up with the flush. Then I'll fill it up all the way, maybe like 7/8, not all the way so it doesn't overfill, but fill it majority of the way up. We're gonna open the valve, let it flush, rinse and repeat 3 or 4 times to get a good clean tank. Right before travel day, we'll end up, I'll probably put about 5 gallons in there to swash around as we're going down the road, but other than that, that'll be it for the black tank. Alright guys, we have a problem to fix before we have travel, or leave for travel day. we had a overfill on our tanks. I'm gonna try to get this sealed back up before we go anywhere. Hopefully it's pretty easy. We'll see how it goes here. Get you guys under here so you can see. I think it's gonna be a lot easier than I thought. It looks like there's a groove. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a groove where it just kind of folds in. Fun doing this one-handed. Try to set you guys up in a better spot. Well guys, I forgot to hit record on that last part, but it just fits right in. I don't know if anybody else's is like that, but it's fairly easy. I don't know about this sag here. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera good enough. Maybe. I don't know. But it's definitely one less thing to worry about. Easy fix. It's never the case. Take a walk around, see what else I got left to do. Got to put the generator up. It goes in the front cab there. Got our hoses going, our totes, our coolers are staying here. They're gonna be put up. Water hoses got to be rolled up. Taking the grill and the table with us, the chair. There's not much left to do. We're gonna actually hook the camper up today and get it turned around, because this spot is not ideal for the way our windows are set up. It's camper's backwards pretty much, but that's our main windows and we would prefer to have those facing this, so that's why we got it like that. So get everything packed up, flushed out, tank's done, everything ready to go. Gonna hook up to the truck and we're just gonna back it out and get it set up to pull out in the morning. First thing daylight comes, we hit the road. Black tank looks like it's slowing down. We're gonna come over here, we're gonna close the valve. We're gonna close both valves, be the main gate valve coming out, and then we're gonna close the black tank valve too. We're gonna let her fill up. Gonna keep an eye on it. Anybody that's got the WeRV app, Bluetooth connectivity, you can watch it in your phone. Just go in, open the door up, look on the main panel, just keep an eye on it. Gets 3/4 of the way. Give it a little bit longer. Come out, let it flush. Rinse and repeat, easy peasy. Let's go inside and check the black tanks, see what level it is. Level 1, so we're gonna let it fill up. Open them up and flush when it's full. All right guys, got the black tank flushed. We're gonna shut the valve, let the flush run for a few minutes to fill up the tank for just probably about 5 gallons worth. Nothing crazy, just enough to have a little bit in there to slosh around with. Usually like 30 seconds worth. Doesn't take much. Usually by the time I walk over here and shut the valve off, should be plenty. Just have a little bit in there in the bottom to break it up, to help it anyway. Shut our valve off. Now we get to drain the hoses. The fun shall begin. Get our black tank valves closed. Alright, I'm gonna try to set you guys up so you can watch me drain this snake of a hose out. It's huge. All the tanks are drained. Let me just double check. Doesn't ever hurt, but wife is washing clothes. And we are getting a little bit out of the gray tank. Yeah. Go ahead and drain that out. There shouldn't be much in there. Trying to not have to worry about this first thing in the morning. Try to get everything set up to leave and go. We're always bad about it. I don't know if you guys are just as bad as us, but you always have a plan, and the follow through is a complete different story. Just how life works sometimes. Yeah, I think she's good. Just gonna show you guys this little contraption that we got. Yeah, it's muddy as crap over here. It's from where I washed the camper earlier. It's not dried out yet. Hoses are dirty. Oh my goodness. Look, it's a hummingbird. Oh my God. Y'all, that's real life. Just found a freaking dead hummingbird. That's what happens when an unstoppable force meets an immovable object. No, just kidding. Guys, that's crazy. That is crazy. Look at that little guy. Fresh. Oh man. Jesus. Uh-oh. What are we gonna do with this little guy? I mean, everything seems intact. I don't know if you guys can see the colors on them or not. Wow. There's ants all over it too. He's been dead for a little bit, but I've just not noticed him. Anyways, back to what we were getting at. Yeah, this little contraption right here. So, it's super simple. I know it looks crazy right now, but you've got two adjustments. This right here, adjust for the pipe size, and this right here, adjust to suck it down. Then it's got two anchors on each side if you needed them. Super easy. Get everything loosened up. Get it off. Yeah, it's got these little pads on there too, so it doesn't damage anything. I don't know how long those will last, but we'll see. But yeah, this thing right here is pretty handy. I know everybody likes the Camco version, but this one doesn't have any rubber other than the little safety parts, but buy things for long term. Guys, it's raining right now and the sun is out. How crazy is that? Look, it's raining and the sun's out. Tell me you don't live down south without telling me you don't live down south. Jesus. It's getting wet. That's crazy. What we're going to use to secure the computer table down to the floor. So don't go anywhere on travel day.